Our world is so beautiful, isn't it? But in this world, everyone is busy in their daily life. But have you ever thought that how did this universe in which you have been living for so many years start? Where did all the incidents start? Scientists found that our universe is spreading from all sides. This universe is increasing in size every second. So, to know how this universe started, we just have to stop time and go back. Let's go back a little. A little more back. 13.8 billion years ago, this is our infinite universe. Everything is embedded in a small ball of this universe. Whatever is going to happen in this universe, everything is present in it. There is no existence of time in this ball of energy. But now, the world that we know is about to start. Due to some mysterious reason, a universe smaller than the size of an atom suddenly came into existence. Within a billionth of a second, this universe spread into its existence. And this is what we call the Big Bang. The blast that you can see right now is all energy. Pure energy. This energy spread completely. And at the same time, space was born. And at the same time, time came into existence. This pure energy continued to spread for billions of years. And this energy started to cool down slowly over the years. And due to this energy, matter was formed. In the form of billions of small subatomic particles, which we call atoms. Quarks, electrons, protons, neutrons, all these things were formed. Actually, two types of things were made. Half was matter, meaning those atoms and other things with which this world was made. With which you are made. And the other group was antimatter, which is the opposite of matter. And because antimatter is opposite to matter, when they meet each other, they kill each other. But fortunately, matter was a little more than antimatter. After everything was over, a matter ball survived. And there was nothing opposite to it that could kill it. That's why it exploded. Which was very lucky for us. Because with this one ball, the whole world is going to be made. Because of this one matter ball, the universe of stars and planets came into existence. Because of the beginning of the Big Bang, this universe came into existence. And because of the explosion of the matter ball, the things inside the universe came into existence. After the blast of that ball, everything cooled down. And in the end, everything started to be made. In this dust-like universe, a force started to work. Because of that force, every atom started to join together. They started to be attracted to each other. And this force is no other force. This is the force of gravity. In the beginning, in this universe, most of the hydrogen atoms existed. The force of gravity started to compress the hydrogen atoms in places. The place where the hydrogen atoms used to come in front due to the force of gravity, the temperature of that place used to reach lakhs of degrees. While being compressed, when the temperature of a place reached 1 crore degrees, then a process started, which is called nuclear fusion. A lot of energy came out of it. And at the same time, some such thing happened. The first star of this universe came into existence. Then this star got a friend. And from this process, 200 to 300 stars were formed in the beginning. And within lakhs of years, millions of stars came into existence. Yes, these are the stars that you see in the sky at night. They were formed like this in the beginning of the universe. Gradually, these stars started to come out due to the force of gravity. They started to live in a group. And now, millions of stars started to come out. They started to live in a group. And a group of billions of stars started to be seen in this universe. And a group of different shapes and sizes was formed. That scene looks like this. And these are called galaxies. Similarly, millions, crores and billions of galaxies, i.e., galaxies, were born. And in the ocean of these galaxies, somewhere in the middle, such a galaxy was formed. And the name of this galaxy is the Milky Way. That is, the galaxy in which you and I are present. In this galaxy, stars were present. But some dust was still left, which was floating in space. But within thousands of years, gravity started to show its power. The dust that was present also started to come out due to the force of gravity. And in the midst of this situation, many planets started to form. All the pieces that look like asteroids started to meet each other due to gravity. And during the formation of these planets, a rocky planet also started to form. That is, such a planet whose surface was solid. And who knew that its name was going to be Earth? That is, the Earth in which you and I are going to be born. Solid pieces joined together and formed a planet. But the remaining pure hydrogen atoms also started to meet each other. And as I told you about the creation of stars, exactly the same thing happened here. A small star started to form from the remaining hydrogen atoms. All the hydrogen atoms started to come close to each other. And the temperature increased so much that the nuclear fusion started. A new star whose name is Sun was born. When this sun was formed, it erupted a very fast solar wind, because of which all the dust particles went out of the solar system. And in the solar system, the same 8 planets and the remaining planets survived, which was big in size. And the solar system started to look as it looks now. Many gas planets had formed outside the solar system, like Jupiter, that is, Veraspati, Saturn, that is, Saturn, Uranus, that is, Uranus, and Neptune, that is, Neptune. And inside the solar system, these rocky planets were born. That is, planets with a solid surface, like Mercury, that is, Mercury, Venus, that is, Venus, Mars, that is, Mars, and finally, our beautiful Earth. And this is the Earth on which you are sitting from such a large surface at one place and watching this video. Before your birth, so much has happened in this universe. The matter born from the Big Bang and this star born from that matter, and after this star, the creation of planets, and because of this, your birth. This was your and your previous story. How did you like this video? Do comment below. Do like and share the video. And for more such videos, do subscribe to this channel.